if x is a normal variate with mean 30 and standard deviation 5, find the probability that first one x greater than equal to 26 less than 40 less than equal to 40, and second one is x greater than equal to 45. So solution. So the standard normal variate is given by standard normal variate is z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation. Now go back to the question. They have given mean is 30, so here the value of mu is 30 and standard deviation, that is rho, is equal to 5 they have given. So therefore your z will become z is equal to x, we don't know, x minus 30 divided by 5. So this is a standard normal variate result. So if you apply the value of z, we will get the exact value of z now. Now the first one they have given as, so probability of x greater than equal to 26 and less than equal to 40, means this x is a variate here, but we need to convert this x in terms of z by using this formula only. So therefore, so we have two values of x. When x is 26, what happened to z, and when x is 40, what happened to z, we need to check now one by one. Now if x is equal to this 26, I have taken this value when x is equal to what here, 26. So therefore what happened to z, z is equal to, replace the value of x as 26 minus 30 divided by 5, so which is nothing but it is minus 0.8. okay, when x is 26 it will be minus 0.8. if x is 40, so what happened to z, will see. So it is 40 minus 30 divided by 5, which is nothing but 2. So when x is 40, it will be 2. So using this, we have to reframe our p of this value. So instead of x, now we will replace the z. So therefore p of 20 x greater than equal to 26 less than equal to 40 will become what here, p of z greater than equal to, instead of, if x is, it will be minus 0.8, and if x is 40, it will become 2. Now this is converted to standard normal variate. Now you can easily simplify this example now. So which is nothing but, so this result can be written as, because this minus sign, so p of z greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 0.8 plus, because this value is positive, so we have to write plus sign, p of z greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2 itself. So therefore, so this is nothing but phi of 0.8 plus this is nothing but phi of 2. So phi of 0.8 according to the calculator or the table, 0.2881 plus phi of 2 value is 0.4772. so after adding we will get 0.7653. now the second one is p of x greater than equal to 45. So here if x is equal to 45, z is nothing but what here, 45 minus 30 divided by 5, which is nothing but it is 3. okay, so therefore it will be p of z greater than equal to 3. okay, so which is nothing but greater than equal to means what here, 0.5 minus phi of 3. so 0.5 minus phi of 3 is 0.4987, which is nothing but 0.0013. So in this way we have to solve the given uh, mean and standard deviation. We have to convert the x value in terms of z by using the formula z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation, which is nothing but a standard normal variate. The next example is